Alright guys, good morning. It is Saturday 6:07 Saturday. So today, I don't want to say it's kind of a weird one, but today I got a couple stops. I got one service call. No, I got two service calls and one trimming set is what we call it. It's like a new construction job. Whenever the job is ready to go back and be finalized, you go back to do the trim, which is like registers, grills, thermostats, and set your outdoor unit, you know what I mean? So the only thing is, this job is not mine. This is for a company that I worked for a while, for a long time when I initially started, and they reached out to me, and I kind of didn't want to say no, even though I am pretty busy. I don't know. I probably should have said no, I can't do it, because I do kind of feel like it's putting me behind. But yeah, this guy, this company, he's a small company. He gave me he's one of the guys that gave me a signature for me to get my state license, because here in Georgia you need 3 signatures. You need experience, and you need 3 signatures to apply to take your state license exam for your HVAC license. So he's one of them. He's one of those signatures, and I don't know, I just wanted to help him out. So I'm gonna help him out with this one, and I think I'm gonna help him out with another one, but that'll be for another day. But yeah, guys, so yeah, let's just see how it goes. Alright, so this is what we got going on. This is where our outdoor unit is gonna go. This is a 3-zone, but get this, it's single stage. I don't know, sometimes the way people design stuff, I wouldn't do it that way. I don't think it's variable speed, I don't think it's variable speed. But oh well. So I know we got one here, and as you can see, it has no supply grills. We're gonna put the grills on. So we're gonna try to knock this out so we can head on. Here's another one. Bag alert. Jeez. New bag alert. Oh. Hey Dad, you all right? You okay? It's too early for that. ¿Qué tuvo de comer? ¿Qué comió en la mañana? ¿No comió nada? Yep. You gotta go sometimes, folks. You gotta go. Pops gotta take care of business. Alright, we're gonna level this pad. I don't know, guys. Here in Georgia, you gotta be 3 feet away from every meter. That's a gas meter. That's electrical. So we'll do about 20 inches. Get this thing pretty level. Uh-huh. Alright guys, we got a new toy that we are trying out. Sheesh, that's crazy. A ver cómo se quita, cómo se regresa. Oh, para atrás así.
Para atrás, ok.
Dang.
Y luego.
Technology. Y luego para acá.
Tienes que hacer muy poco para ahí.
That's crazy. Está chido, ¿no? Sí. También tienen uno de estos de pila, pero está bien este. No hace uno tanta fuerza con este. Okay, so this piece right here, it brings a O-ring, a white O-ring right there. You just want to take it off, so whenever you get ready to braze, you don't cook that up. Man, this thing's crazy. That bender. All right, this 3/8 right here, it cracked a little bit, so I'm gonna have to make sure I fill that up properly. The 3/8 still goes all the way in, so we'll be all right. These folks still they haven't turned the water on, so there's no water here yet. So I'm gonna use this for my valves. Again, I ran out of oxygen, guys. I left this open somehow. Oh my goodness. Sucks. Gotta use the turbo torch. All right, guys, right now I don't have my lines inside connected, so I gotta swap out my Persian hose to this side. All right, this is the air handler up here. They have a lot of breakers off, so I think I'm just gonna use my headlamp for now. This is a nice attic, folks. Beautiful attic. Spray foam. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spray foam. A lot of space. I mean, this thing is just great. But all right, we're gonna use our fancy tool here. This thing turned off. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. Okay. We'll just go here. See, a little bit more down right here. There we go. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Sorry guys, I ain't trying to sound weird. But this thing right here, beautiful boy. Sheesh. Uh-oh, probably spoke too soon. Hello. Dang, I scratched my tool, bro. All right, so I got everything piped in inside. I'm about to go Braze again. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this putty that I got. It's the same brand, it's just putty. I'm not sure how I felt about the outside, the liquid that I was using. I'm telling you guys, ain't no way. Whew. I'm telling y'all, ain't no way like the old-fashioned way, just actual wet rags. Y'all see how it takes longer to heat up with this turbo torch? Because it's only acetylene. I think we're good, Bubba. But yeah, that turbo torch, it just takes a little while longer. All right, we just finished putting some in there. We're at 255. I'm gonna let this settle and then I'll do the test tightness. But for now, I'm gonna start wiring in the unit. Oh man, forgot to take off the wing nut. What you gotta love about new construction, guys, you ain't really gotta deal with folks. Not that I don't like dealing with customers, but you know, I can have music on right now, chilling. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. careful with that. Hold on. Okay. Alright, almost done with my low voltage. Pops is inside. He's putting the grills and the thermostats. Alright, so this is a 3-zone heat pump. Let's see, where can I put this thing? Maybe somewhere right here where it'll look nice and neat. Alright, this is where we're gonna go, folks. Guys, so zone boards, they are pretty easy. It's like the thermostats all go here. So at least these Honeywell. So it's like if you're wiring the thermostat, this is for zone 1, which is my main. I already know that the damper that I'm wiring in goes to the main level. I think I have to put a jumper between W2 and W1. This is a single stage, so it just goes to Y1. Skip Y2, put green for fan. Reversing valve wire. Dang, it took me an hour up there getting everything tied up. We got an hour, 0.5. So we're good to go. About to get this under vacuum. You gotta love a new line set, guys. 260. That's beautiful. Alright guys, we gotta set this up. This is a heat pump. Next, compressor stage is 1. Next, auxiliary heat enabled, yes. Nope, that's for Wi-Fi, I believe. Zones installed, 3, yes. Zone 1, thermostat type heat pump, O, yes. Heat pump O, yes. Heat pump O, yes. Stage 2 control. Let's see. We're good right there. And then the cool thing about this, you can skip your purge and go to checkout and test the system. Purge override, yes. All right, now let's go set those thermostats up. All right, so we got all 3 zones open right now. So since this is a zone system, we gotta have all zones open so we can charge this correctly. Check it out, it's draining already. This thing has a 4-degree subcool right now. It needs a 13. So we're gonna have to add some to it. And of course you gotta put your adapter on here. So stupid. All right guys, we got this up to 10. Superheat at 9. Everything's looking good. I'm not gonna charge anymore. I'm gonna go by the 3 less, 3 more rule. Cause for some reason today, the sun ain't really out, but we're okay. All right, so that's the bypass damper. It opened up after closing both 2 zones and only leaving 1 zone open. Y'all know how I feel about these zone systems. And there's our fresh air damper. It opened up. So this is the final product, guys. Sheesh, that thing is clean, boy. Put some zip ties on all this wiring. It's on board, serviceable, everything looks good. Let's head on out of here. And this is what we got out here. Time to go, fellas, time to go. Scoot this over a little bit.
Now it stopped working. Come on.
Oh, somebody, oh, he came in yesterday?
Yeah, he came yesterday. It
Okay.
had stopped. Okay. It keep blowing, it'll stop and then it'll blow out hot air. The
Okay.
last night it completely had the back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, man. Oh.
Hey baby. Hey puppy.
All right, I'm gonna check everything, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so it's in cool mode right now. I don't know what is going on. It's 83 degrees in there though. Seems to be working. Okay, I got a 1 degree superheat, 15 degrees subcool, 139, 339, 340 on the head, pressure. Let's see. Wondering if I got an airflow issue. We got this crawl. That's what it is. Good thing is the system is right here. Don't gotta go too far in. Thing needs a cap. She said somebody was here yesterday. They changed up the filter. Alright guys, I just pulled this up. I'm at 0.68. I'm at 0.48, almost 0.5 on the return side and 0.2 on the supply side. That equals my total to almost 0.7. I don't even know if y'all can see. Alright guys, I just pulled up my chart. I'm at 0.48, 0.2 at the supply, 0.48 at the return. That totals my static to almost 0.7, 0.6, 0.69. I have a temperature split of 20 degrees. That's about normal. I got 56 out the supply, 77 out the return. This actually kind of looks overcharged. I got 0 degree superheat and a 15 degree subcool. And they do have a piston. So we do check our charge by our superheat, and it says 0, so that means we're getting liquid back to the compressor. I just got to check what speed this unit is at. I think this has 3 speeds. I pulled up my chart now. This is the model number. It's a 2.5 ton at 0.7. If I'm on the high speed at 0.7, I'm getting 825. If I'm at the medium, 590. If I'm at the low, 330. So let me check that real quick. I just don't know. She said she felt hot. Alright, so my high speed is that black wire. It's already on the high speed. Since this is an air handler, I'm just gonna make sure my heat strips are not on by checking the amps. Even though my pressures don't really show me that the heat strip's on. The only thing that looks like it's running is my blower. I have 0 amps. 0 amps. When was you feeling that hot air? Like around what time? Like is it at night or?
It was at night.
It was at night. It was hot air coming out or?
Yeah, hot air like heat.
Really?
And it was off, and the heat kept coming out.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and see what it does.
Okay, yeah.
Since you said that's when it did it. Here on heat, on this
I
one.
ain't crazy.
No, I know you ain't crazy. I'm just saying it could be a simple mistake. You know what I mean?
No. How that's a silver mistake, then they coming up. No, I ain't crazy.
No. I know you ain't crazy. I know. I don't know I'm crazy. That's what it is. Yeah, I can't say.
He did all that what you doing.
Yeah, he did the same exact thing. Yeah. 59. You getting 59-degree air coming out. All right, guys. I think the previous person that came out yesterday, I think he charged this system. So I think I'm gonna take some out so I can get that that superheat up a little bit. Probably gonna take off like 4 ounces. I'm looking at his notes. Unless he didn't wait, there's a 30-degree superheat right there. So I'm wondering if he didn't wait long enough. He did change the filter. This is his scale. He put 1 pound. Clean the drain line. Right here it shows he got it to 6 degrees superheat and 14 degrees subcool. So right now I took out half a pound. I'm at 8 ounces right now. I'm at a 9-degree superheat. My suction line temperature went up, so I'm gonna let this thing sit for a while. That way I can ensure that it's not gonna change right away. All right, other than that little overcharge, I don't know what could cause the system to go into heat mode. Maybe she don't realize what she means, because she said that one vent was blowing cold air and the other ones weren't. I don't know. Let's head on to the next one. Yeah. Okay. Have you seen it froze up before?
No, I don't know. I just know how it goes.
Yeah. Dang. All right. I know I got low suction pressure, but what I can't tell is if he turned the system off like just a couple minutes before I got here or what. It's not frozen out here, but I see that coil door sweating, so I don't know if there's a block of ice inside the coil. You know, you can't get accurate readings that way if something is frozen, if the coil is completely frozen inside. Like I said, it's not frozen out here. But it's looking like it's a low charge issue. based off my high superheat and my low subcool and my low suction. Look at this coil. Gosh. Alright guys, it's been a long day. I can't sit here 30, 40 minutes, 20 minutes to let that thing thaw out. Today was kind of long due to drive time. It's 6:46. So I'll tell this guy I'll have to come back tomorrow or another day. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. God bless.